Coming up next, qualifying match number 11.
Oh, let's meet the team, starting with the Red Alliance. It's Team 5149.
First team, 5149, is out of Troy, New York, proudly representing Troy High School. Let's hear it again for Troy Bottox.
Their alliance partners, it's Team 333.
First team, 333, is a pride of John Dewey High School. They're out of Brooklyn, New York. It's the Megalodons.
And we've also got Team 5659.
First team, 5659. They do it all. Their robot is great, representing Bridgehampton School. It's Team Supreme.
On the Blue Alliance, we've got Team 4508.
They're the pride of Schuylerville High School from Schuylerville, New York. They're the Steel Stallions.
In the middle, Team 4458.
Out of Moriches, New York, representing Center Moriches High School, it's Inferno Bottox.
And let's hear it for Team 743.
Representing the High School of Computers and Technology from the Bronx in New York, it's the Technobots.
And we are almost ready for this match to get started.
Malay, I was talking with our head referee a short time ago. He said one of the things that they've noticed a lot in these early qualification matches is human players reaching down into the exchange and also through the portals. They're keeping an extra eye on that. Our teams want to pay attention.
Absolutely. Thank you, John Doe. Head ref is always watching. Always.
Safety has to come first. See what I did there? First.
Very good. Very good.
Well, folks, this reminder, primary method of earning points in this year's game is by placing power cubes on the plates of the switch or the scale to establish ownership. Points for the switch and scale are accrued over time. During the autonomous period, ownership points are accrued at a rate of 2 points per second. And during the teleop period, ownership points are accrued at a rate of 1 point per second, as long as that alliance has ownership of that scale or that plate. Points are not taken away when ownership changes. They just stop accumulating. Field looks just about set. Back over to Malay for the start.
We are ready to get started. Drivers behind the line. Match starting in 3, 2, 1. Power up!
Here we go. Movement on the field. Again, the robots are operating using their pre-programmed instructions and their onboard sensors. Red Alliance with 1, 2, 3 robots past the auto line. That's the black line. They're on their side of the field. They were unable to take ownership of the scale, so neither alliance able to complete the auto quest. At the end of our opening period, your score 18-15. Blue Alliance out in front. Teleoperated period now underway. Drivers are in full control. Human players in the corners working through the portals and also at the exchange, stocking the vaults, loading the robots with power cubes to be placed on the plates of the switch and the scale. Far side of the field, 333 reaching up high, placing a cube on the scale for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance has executed a power-up. They choose to levitate one of their robots, earning an additional 30 points. Technical foul. This one will be charged on 333. Head referee was right there to see it. Looks like that foul may have been on the Blue Alliance, rather, on first team 743. That would be for contact in the null territory, most likely. But we'll wait to hear from our head referee. Blue Alliance continues to stuff cubes through the exchange. Thanks to Robot 4508, Steel Stallions. Gonna ride this one in. Red Alliance now executing a power-up. That'll be for Levitate. Blue Alliance right behind them. They choose to boost score on the scale. Blue Alliance continues to add additional cubes to the scale. And now the Blue Alliance forces a change in ownership for the switch. Final seconds of the match, deep in the end game. One of our robots climbing. That'll be 44-58. Climbing in the closing seconds of the match, and Frontobatics all over it. Team from Cinema Riches High School showing their medal. Head referee has checked the field. Situation looks good. Scores are in. Here are your results. Blue Alliance with the win and a score of 356 to 212. Blue Alliance your winner. They'll pick up 2 ranking points for their performance on field. Blue Alliance had used one of their power-ups to earn a free climb. One of their robots climbed as well. That'll give them 60 points in the end game.